Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see what exactly is WordPress is and how you can deploy a WordPress container in your Homelab. So people who is not aware what exactly WordPress is a content management software where you can deploy your WordPress website or like your normal website. You can create a static website over there. You can create a news website over there. You want to create a e-commerce website, you can create over there. So let's just jump into few statistics because these are very interesting statistics. So like around 472 million websites throughout the globe uses the WordPress. Around 43.3% of the websites are using WordPress, and in the CMS market, like your Shopify, and there are like lots of other CMS platform are also there. Among all those, 62.7% share that hold by the WordPress. So now, enough about the WordPress. You also get a glance what exactly the WordPress is. So this is the official Docker Compose file that will use, but I took quite a things as per my preference. You can change as per your, so no worry on that part. So let me just open my Visual Studio Code. So this is the file that I'm using. So first thing first that you will notice over here, I will create two containers. One is for the WordPress and one is for the image, or one is for the database, because there are two components. One is your front end of your website and another is the database. That's the reason we require two containers. So let's just quickly try to understand what exactly they are. So this is the first container that will be named as WordPress image. It's using WordPress. This is the restart policy. This is the port from where we can access our website. These are few environment variable, or to be very honest, these are the database entry that we use. These are the volumes. This is the lab network basic stuff that we already discussed in our previous video also. These are the detail about the database. Like these are the environment variable for the database. This is the volume that where we add our database. These are the lab network. So in this video we'll create this folder also. Okay, so first of all let me just clear it up. So as you can see here, I need to go to my Docker data. So I just created a folder named Docker data where you can see all my another container folders are there. So this project is name is WordPress. So we'll do mkdir WordPress. So if we do WordPress cd WordPress, so we need to create two folder. One name is data for all the WordPress related data, and one name is db, all the db related data. So if we do ls, so you can see we have two things. So we quickly do pwd. We'll copy this path. We'll come over here and you can see this is the path that we are using, and same way we are using this path. Regarding the Docker network, if you're having any issue, so you need to run docker network ls. So you can see I already have a lab network created with the name lab network. Okay, so now let's just run this file. We'll go to our previous directory. Here are Docker Compose WordPress images also there. So we'll run a command. I believe I already run. So this is the command that we'll use, Docker Compose -f. -f is the parameter where we can add a file name, then up -d. So if we hit enter, so as you can see here, there are two containers that are running. So one is for the database and one is for the front end of the website. Usually in most of my video there is only single container, but this is the only where we need two containers because this is the WordPress required. So now if we click on the Orbstack, we can see this is our WordPress. If you click over here, so our initial page looks something like that. So you can click on continue. Let's just set up some name, Homelab, username, admin. Let me enter a super simple password. Okay, let's see. It's a very simple password. Just hit install. You must be okay. Email address. There are lots of website on the internet. There are lots of good tutorial over the on the YouTube that you can follow in order to build a WordPress website. In this video, we'll mostly discuss about how exactly you can deploy WordPress in your environment. So once you do that, it will take some time. because it's just installing, it's just adding the entry in the database. So all those things, by using the same video, you can deploy the WordPress in any cloud platform like DigitalOcean, Amazon, AWS, some other fancy cloud provider name that you can also deploy over there. Let's just wait for it to register. So once that process will become completed, it will look something like that. So we'll copy the username and enter 123 at the rate. That was the password that we selected, and hope so it will log in. So yeah, this is our home page, will look something like that. So yeah, this is how you can set it up a WordPress website in your Homelab. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, doubt, please let me know, and we'll see you in the next one. Till the time, peace.